How is the value of my land determined in a land condemnation case? The first question most people have when they find out their land is being taken is, how much money will I be paid? Well, in an eminent domain land condemnation case, the amount you receive for your land can be determined in a couple of ways. In most condemnation cases, if the North Carolina Department of Transportation or other government agency is preparing to take your land, they'll have their own appraiser determine the value of the land taken from you. That is the amount they will likely offer you. In our experience, this appraised value is almost always lower than what your land is actually worth. That's because the state's appraisers are working for the government and will therefore try to minimize the amount that has to be paid to you. The less they pay to you, the more money they get to keep. The best way to fight this lowball offer is to hire an attorney experienced in land condemnation cases. Your attorney will retain a real estate appraiser who's experienced in land condemnation and eminent domain cases on your behalf. That appraiser will be independent of the government and will develop an opinion of the value of your land, which considers all of the factors allowed under the law. Now, you should know that not all appraisers are created equal. The appraiser who valued your home when you bought it is not the same kind of appraiser who you need to value your land in a land condemnation case. That's where the experience and knowledge of your lawyer comes in. There are all different kinds of appraisers, and the best one for your situation depends on how your land is being used. For personal purposes, commercial purposes, farming operations, church operations, or any other kind of possible use of that land. All of those factors can greatly impact the value of your case. Now, throughout the case, we may have an opportunity to negotiate with the right-of-way agent or government lawyer regarding a possible fair settlement for your land. If they don't agree to a reasonable amount, then we'll continue forward and go to trial in front of a judge and a jury, and they will determine the amount of money that you shall recover for the loss of your land. For more information, call Henson Fuerst Attorneys at 800-452-9633 or visit our website at www.nclandlawyer.com.